welcome back to Vlogmas. I'm starting this vlog at 2:30-ish. I edited this morning and uploaded my first Vlogmas video, so that's what I was doing all morning. And then I got ready, so I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. Also, guess who finally cleaned their mirror? Like, are you kidding me? Why didn't I do this like way sooner? Like, my mirror looks so much better, and I'm embarrassed that I vlogged in this mirror last week. This is my outfit for today. I'm just wearing this cute sweater. It's a little zip up, like knit sweater with a little fringe. I got this, I believe, last year or 2 years ago from Shein. And then this is also from Shein. It's like a reversible teddy coat, so it's really long, very comfortable. So this just feels like I'm wearing a blanket, so I love that. And then these leggings, I actually pronounced them wrong in last week's Vlogmas video. I said it was like gamma or whatever, but I don't know. I'll put it in the link down below. They have a little pocket. They're like technically athletic leggings, but I like them because they're not like see-through at all. And then for my boots, I'm wearing these Walmart boots again. So that's today's outfit. Cute but comfy and casual. Okay, first stop today is Starbucks. Let's head over there because, you know, necessities to get you through a Monday. So today is actually a really exciting day, so I'm just gonna kind of explain to you what's going on. Long story short, growing up, the house that I was born in, the house that my parents were in for like 20 something years, the house that I'm in and living at right now with my parents, we moved there almost 5 years ago. Once we moved from my old house, my sister actually stayed there with her now husband, and they kind of stayed there. They rented it out for my parents, and then they were living there for the last 5 years. They just recently bought a new house. They wanted to buy a house, not rent anymore. So they bought a new house. Now our old house is kind of like vacant. It's not being used. So my parents are now getting ready to sell it. So we've had a bunch of like sales. We've been selling things on like Facebook Marketplace. Kind of just painting, getting things ready to sell it. Even after we moved, we still had some stuff there. Like it was still around. So now we're like actually like selling it and sealing the deal. The realtor that is putting the house up for sale is my mom's friend. So she asked me if I could take the pictures for the house so it can get listed online, which I'm excited for because I literally love taking pictures. I love houses. I love all of that. The Starbucks line has been crazy. So if you're wondering what I normally get at Starbucks, I usually get a venti iced coffee, and I put almond milk in it, and then instead of like the classic syrup, I do the chestnut praline syrup. Now that it's winter time, I wish they had that all year round because I would totally drink it, but it'll probably be gone within the next month or so. But yeah, that's what I usually get.
Can I do a venti iced coffee with almond milk, and then instead of classic, can I do the chestnut praline? Yeah. Chestnut praline? What else would you say? That'll be it.
Also, I just realized today is December 7th, and it's exactly 1 month until my birthday. So mark your calendars, everybody. January 7th is my birthday. I'm gonna be turning 22, which is just such a stupid age. Like, something about turning 22, I just don't like it. Like, that's such a boring age. There's nothing to it. How are you?
Good, are you fasting? 372, venti iced coffee.
Thank you. Can I have a straw too, please?
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Alright, don't hate me, guys. I don't have a freaking reusable straw. Yep. Say hi! Guys, this was my old bedroom. This is where shit went down. This is my dad grinding at work. And this is all of his supplies. They had to paint everything and all that fun stuff. This was my closet. They just actually painted it this gray color. It used to be like hot pink from me. So, it looks so much better. This little skylight. Bougie. I was bougie or whatever. But yeah, this is my old room. Oh my god. I'm gonna miss it. Yes, this is one of my very last moments in my old room. Should we cry? So I'm gonna really quick put on some fake nails. I'm gonna use the Kiss ones. They're kind of like the plain ones, so you're supposed to paint over them. But I ain't got the time to do that right now. So I'm just gonna pop these little girls on just so I feel more like myself and not like a little boy. Okay guys, so I just finished doing my nails. They look kind of stupid right now because they're not painted obviously, so they're just like the plain Kiss ones, so they don't really have a color to them. I'm just wearing this big comfy cozy Thousand Islands sweatshirt, crew neck, and then some sweatpants just to be comfortable. I'm just going to pack everything up and then I'm gonna be leaving here within the next like 5 minutes. I think he's gonna teach me how to cook tonight, so that's exciting. I'm gonna have a good meal again. Ain't that the most beautiful thing I ever done seen?
Yeah, fuck that guy.
Second place, baby. First is the worst, second is the best, third is the one with the hairy fucking chest. The name's Gabby.